Hi, I'm Ellie Marion, and I'm the Closet Quilter. Today, we're making the Cutie Sock video. I have been asked multiple times how to make the Cutie Socks. Okay, so here it is. This is how I made my Cutie Socks. Now, I call them Cutie Socks because I made them. And you can call them hoop helpers. You can call them anything you want. But this is what they do. On a hoop frame, you have a back bar. And if you have handles above the frame, not like the original handles of the Cutie frame, which are below, okay? You have to have above frame handles. You can either have the aftermarket carriage or a Unique machine or any other machine, whatever. It has to be above, and you have to be able to float. Okay, float your quilt on the frame. And because if you have the below handles, you have to have a basted quilt sandwich that you put over the frame. That's something completely different. This is floating. Now, when you're floating, you put your backing over the frame. And if you have just a cotton backing or something slinkier, sometimes it won't grip because it's too thin. So enter the Cutie Socks. This gives it a little bulk. You slip this on the back bar and you can grip and float easily. So this is what I do. I made these Cutie Socks. This is how to do. You have some quilted material. Now you can do it a couple ways. I made 3 of these at 12.5 inches wide, okay? 12.5 inches long and 5 inches wide. I had strips, quilted strips, okay? And I folded it in half. I sewed 1/4 inch, and then I took my hooks off the back bar, and I slid it onto the back bar and found where my straps are. I marked it, and I cut out a little hole. Okay? Now, if you want to do just one long piece, measure your back bar, and it's about 44 to 44.5, something like that. 45, something like that. But the width of fabric is 44 inches usually, so you can cut out a 5-inch strip of quilted material at 44 inches wide, and then take your hooks off, slip that baby on, mark where your straps are, and voila, you have your Cutie Socks or hoop helper, whatever you want to call it. But it is really handy. Now, if you decide you like for me, I did a minky back quilt. I didn't need it. Slip it off. And then you've got your bar, you've got your thick minky quilt, no problem. It's very helpful. So I hope this helps you in your quilting journey. And please comment and send me pictures of your Cutie Socks or whatever you call it. I'd love to see what you do. I give everybody ideas. So if you're a hoop quilter, this is a great way to help you float easily. Have a great quilting day, and thanks for stopping by the Closet Quilter.